Another order from Temu is actually a tablet. So let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, I've pulled this out and I saw this. I think it's properly packaged, at least for protection. It's a tablet and I think it deserves all the protection it needs flying through airplanes and the like. So let me still tear this and see what is inside. So I've taken this off and this is what you find inside. Voila! A Lander. That's an Lander 10.1 Android tablets and PC. I really like the way it's been packaged. Shows it's original. Every place is sealed. I'll see this one. Let me take it open still and we'll discover what's inside. So opening up the box, of course I did that. This is what you find inside. A case, yes, a leather case, a keypad, and of course some manuals. I have to read this later. And okay, this is a Type-C cable for charging. It doesn't come with a charger itself. It just comes with a cable for the charger. So you have to use your normal charger head you have been using on your phone. This is another cable. I'll have to see what's that about. And this is the pen. Yep. And it also came with a wireless mouse and another cord. Maybe I'll know what all these are used for when I read the manual. And of course, this is what we've been waiting for. The beauty itself, the Android 10 tablet PC. Let me turn it around and see. Of course, there's a camera. That's a back camera. These are all information about the manufacturer, and the likes. Let me switch it on for us to see what we have. Oh, it's coming up. Let's see. And I think it's an affordable tablet. Looking at all what it came with, Android, dual SIM, Wi-Fi 6, and voice call. It's still coming up. Let's wait and see. Voila! Of course, the tablet is up. Let's turn it around. Let me first of all check the. Okay. Let me see the apps it came with. I want to check. They actually said that most of this tablet doesn't come with Play Store, but yes, this one did. It came with Play Store, which means I will still have to download other apps. Let me switch it around and see if it rotates automatically. Okay, yes, it does automatically. Okay, yeah. So let's put it this way so that at least we'll be seen. Rotate this way, and now let's. According to the specification, it said it has a 512 gigabyte storage. We have to find out. Where's the settings? Oh, let me tap. Oh, what did I just tap? I actually tapped the wrong button. Go back again. Go back. Of course, go back. I don't want to turn on. Keep backing off. Back. Keep off. Go back. So now let's go to settings. I want to actually check the storage. So we have battery, conference network, a sound, storage. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. Storage. I want to confirm if it is true. Okay, yes, of course, is right and is accurate. 3.69 gigabytes. This apps default apps that came with it actually. So use of 512 gigabyte storage. So I give them a thumbs up for this. Yes, the storage is quite accurate, and I don't really know if it uses an SD card. I'll still have to check that later. So these are the apps that are already preoccupied in it. So good for now. I think this Android 10 tablet should be a must buy for anyone. And if you want to still get more reviews about this channel, of course, once I use them more, I'll drop what I see about this tablet, just to get you informed to know what you're buying. Like the manufacturer, as you've seen. Oh, let me turn that. This name of the match. Oh no, I don't really want to promote any product. They didn't pay me. So yes, but the tablet is cool. I got it from Temu, like I said from the start. So if you want to get something like this, I think you should go for it. And also subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want to get more updates. Or let me see. Oh no, I don't want to turn on the camera because I'm actually putting on shirts shooting at this video, so it wouldn't be. Oh, let me see. Let me try and walk. Let me try and see how the camera is, so that you guys should have a feel. But let me see. Try. Where's the camera? Yes, of course, this camera. Then, oh, I don't really know if you can see what I'm seeing. Okay, this is the camera. I think it's cool. Wow, it's actually capturing my leg. I'm sitting on bare shit in this video. Let me see outside. Wow, the camera is cool. The camera is cool. Wow. So I think if you want to get less capture, you see I'm capturing the keyboard. This is the keyboard from this camera and video. So the camera is actually top notch. So I think you should get something like this. It's cool for you. So like I said, if you want a more review about this is actually an unboxing video. So if you want a typical review of this device, you have to subscribe to this YouTube channel now, and I'll be dropping them for you to see and know. This is pack, and this is the little thing you need to know about this Android 10 tablet. So hit the subscription button if you want to get notified when I put up the next video, and also turn on the bell notification button. It's quite necessary. So that will come to the end of this video. It's just an unboxing video. I'll have to test all this later after shooting this video. So we'll see in the next one. Chip Zago remain his name, and Blogging for Tech is the name of this YouTube channel. See ya.